Hey girl. Hey little budgie. Yeah. So tiny. You two guys gonna be friends? Huh? Are you guys gonna be friends? Oh, Chester. You're very interested, aren't you? Oh, yeah. Let me put a little new budgie down here. Okay, guys. How are you gonna react? First meeting. Interesting. What is going on, says Chester. What is up with this? There's another bird. Hey, Chester. Yeah, you're gonna be good. Yeah, not instant fighting, so that's a good sign. Yeah, Budgies. Yeah, you're gonna flock together. Yeah. Gonna be friends. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Chester. It's a baby budgie. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, Budgies. Oh, Budgies. Yeah. Chester. Don't peck at her tail. Ow! Chester!